Hey, I'm Hilton, and in this video I'm installing a carbon fiber spoiler to the Audi A6. So I just want to get the spoiler out of its packaging. I did open it up when I received it to see what it looked like, and it looks like a sword. This is what it's looking like, and I'll show you guys a close-up once it's on the car, but it's very similar to the one I fitted to my Jaguar XF. Comes with self-adhesive tape that you just stick it on, and before I can even do that, I just need to clean the surface of the trunk, and then I can do my alignment, and then I'm just going to use some tape to make markings as to where it must be aligned, and then I'm going to install it. It's very easy and very simple. So all I want to do here is I just want to check before I take the tape off where the spoiler has to sit in order to stick properly onto the car, and I think it's pretty much in line with both ends of the trunk over here, but I've just got to make sure that it's 100% in line. Right, I think that is a good spot, and I'm just going to lean against the car because I'm going to put tape on the spoiler so that it doesn't move from its position when I start taking the double-sided tape off the spoiler. I've got 3 pieces of tape on the spoiler, one there, one in the middle, and just make sure that it's really tight against the spoiler at this end, and I've got another one over here. So now I'm just going to lift it up, take the double-sided tape off one side, and then stick it down. And looking at the fitment down here, everything is lining up nicely, and I think it's going to look pretty good. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift it over here and get the red tape off. That's one down, one more to go. Okay, that's one down. Right, get it back in position. Okay, now one you're going to pull from the top and one you're going to have to pull from the bottom, like that. So what you do is just get your tape just far enough off the ends. Now the problem is when I pull this top tape, I'm going to have to take this off. So what I'm going to do is position the bottom, and then I'm going to do the top. Right, so I'm just going to take the bottom one off. Keeping in mind my car has been detailed and it has been ceramic coated, so this is why I've waited so long to do this. Now I'm just going to make sure this is down and it's on the car so the spoiler can't come off, and I'm going to get the tape off now so that we can pull this one through. Now, keeping in mind, once it's stuck, it's stuck. So I'm just going to pull it all the way across, and that's that. And then stick the ends down. This double-sided tape sticks like crazy. Crazy. So to remove the spoiler would probably not be an easy job, and can take this off now. And that is it. It's done. And there it is. All done on the car. And as you can see, it's a very, very small spoiler. It's not going to make a huge statement. It's sort of understated elegance, just like the car itself. And I actually like the look of this because it looks even more aggressive from the back now. And I'm really, really liking this look. It looks nice. I'll just come this side, show you guys from the side. Now I want to show you a close-up of what the carbon fiber looks like. You can see the weave over there. The spoiler wasn't very cheap. It was pretty expensive. From what I remember, I think it was $300, but I'll put a link down below if there's another one available right now. I just need to wipe it down because it's got my fingerprints all over it. And it has like a glass sort of 3D effect on it, which I don't know if I can get it to show up on the video, but it is beautiful, absolutely stunning. And the nice thing is it looks grey like the rest of my car, but it's not grey.